If you're trying to connect your iPhone to your Wi-Fi, but it's not connecting, or you're running into issues where it keeps dropping, or there's no signal, I'm going to walk you through some steps to definitely get that fixed. The first thing we'll do is head into your settings. So open up the settings app on your iPhone. And first, you can see midway down is cellular. Let's tap on the cellular option here. And now let's scroll to the very bottom because potentially you have Wi-Fi assist turned on. It says it will automatically use cell data instead of Wi-Fi if the connection is bad. So let's turn this off. The next thing we will do is we'll go back out here and we're going to toggle airplane mode on for a second. This will disconnect from Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cell data, all of that stuff. And then we're going to wait for a little bit and turn it back off. After we've done that, it should, if you tap on Wi-Fi, reconnect to that network. If it's not reconnecting, or again, if there's any other issue, we might need to go into some other things as well. So let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Once you're at the very beginning, you're going to scroll down until you find the option that says privacy and security. Tap on that. Now from here, you can see location services at the very top. Let's tap on that. And if we scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see system services, including for Wi-Fi. So let's tap on that. And now you're going to look through this long list for the option for networking and wireless. There it is. Make sure to toggle this on. This will allow your iPhone to locate exactly where you are. And a lot of times this helps with connecting to a local network, aka a Wi-Fi network. Now, after you've done that, let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. If it's still not working for you, the next step that you can do is tap on Wi-Fi. And then tap on the little I next to the network they're trying to connect to. So I'm going to tap on the I. And now from here, I'm just going to hit forget this network and forget. Now this will completely wipe it out from your iPhone and you'll just have to reconnect to it manually. There could be a bug in how you previously had connected to it. So just completely forget it, add it again. The last thing we'll do on your iPhone is go back to the very beginning here. Now you can see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on general. And then we're going to scroll down until you see transfer or reset iPhone at the very bottom of your phone. Just tap on that. And then you'll see at the bottom is reset. Tap on that. And we'll choose the second option, network settings. Tap on that. Now enter in the passcode for your phone and go through the process of resetting these network settings. This will include all of the settings associated with your Wi-Fi and definitely get that fixed. Now, if all of these steps still don't fix it, there could potentially be a problem with your Wi-Fi router or modem themselves. So the easiest way to fix those is just to unplug them physically, unplug them from the wall for probably about 30 seconds or a minute. Plug them back in, wait for them all to reboot, and it should be working fine.